Good morning, students of class 3. Today we will continue our chapter 9, Soil and Rock. First, we will take a quick recap of our previous video. So, what is soil? Soil is the uppermost layer of the earth's surface where plants grow. Soil is very important for all living beings because, as we know, plants grow in soil. Plants cannot grow if there will be no soil. And all living beings depend directly or indirectly on soil. So, soil is very important for all living beings. Now, how is soil formed? Billion or million years ago, there were huge pieces of rocks present on earth. Now these rocks break down into very small pieces due to sun's heat, rain, wind, and this process is called weathering. And in this small pieces of the rock, water, air, and the dead and decaying plants and animals mix and make it soil. And then from in this soil the plants start to grow and then the life begins on the earth. Now today we will learn about the types of soil. So there are three types of soil: clay soil, sandy soil and loamy soil. First of all, what is clay soil? Clay soil is made up of minute particles of the soil, and you can tell that it is a very minute particles of soil. Clay soil is the minute particles of soil. It is made up of fine and smooth particles. There is no space between the two molecules of clay soil. So, air and water cannot pass through it. Clay soil holds water, but it lacks air. It is not good for plants because there is lack of air, so it is not good for plants. Few plants can grow in it. Those are fern and aster. Clay soil is used to make pots, diyas, kacha houses, etc. Now the second one is sandy soil. Sandy soil has large particles of soil. So it is rough and coarse. When we touch it, when we keep it in our hand, it feels rough and it is coarse because it has large particles of soil. There is large space between molecules of the soil, so it do not hold water, but it can hold air. Because there is lack of water in the sandy soil, so it is also not good for plant. Few plants can grow in the sandy soil. Those are babul plant, palm trees, cactus, etc., which require less water. We can find sandy soil in the desert, beaches and river banks. Now the third one is loamy soil. Loamy soil is the mixture of clay and sand. So it can hold both air and water. It also contains lot of humus. Humus means dead and decaying plants and animals. So loamy soil is rich in humus. Therefore, it is very good for plants. Loamy soil is very good for plants. So we can find loamy soil in our garden. because loamy soil is very good for plant. It holds both air and water, and humus is also rich in the loamy soil, so it is very good for plants. So girls, today we have learned about the types of soil. So you have to learn all the three types of soil: clayey soil, sandy soil and loamy soil. Now draw two things which is made up of clay soil. As for I am giving some examples which you can draw, that is diya, pots, kacha houses. Among them you have to draw only two diagrams. That's all for today. Thank you.